ano nga yung best for kids, di ba? Again, depende sa purpose, but ideally, it's something for education or merong health insurance. For me, walang sense masyado if kukuhanan mo ng life insurance lang. Kasi nga, you get life insurance as an income replacement. That's for me. Now, you replace the income of the breadwinner. That's why kailangan mo siyang i-insure. Ganon, ng health or critical illness or life insurance. Diba? Para pag tumigil yung income niya because of death or disability. That's the main reason why you get life insurance. So, why insure your kids? You only insure your kids, for me, for two purposes. Number one, health insurance. Dahil yun kasi per life yun. So, pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, may makiklaim ka. Pag na-hospitalize, kung hospitalization insurance yan, may makiklaim ka. Ganon. Or something for education ng kids. But still, for me, kung wala ka pang insurance or kukonti pa lang, ikaw as the parent, ikaw dapat yung insured. Yung purpose lang ng plan na yun, pang education. And that's the purpose of your financial advisor. Kunyari ako yung financial advisor mo, I will remember na itong plan A na to, kunyari this is the first plan, kinuha mo to para sa education ni anak number 1. Ganyan. And then we get another life insurance for anak number 2. No? Ikaw yung insured, pero ang purpose niya, VUL siya for example, kikita siya para sa education niya. Pero you only insure your child, maliit lang dapat yung insurance niya. We have a product na gano'n, parang let's say 50,000 lang yung insurance, 100,000 lang. Yung bata yung insured, para mabilis kumita yung fund, that's one. Maliit lang yung insurance. And then, kung malaki na yung insurance mo, as the parent, the initial goal is 10 times your annual income. Kung ka ng 1 million a year, 10 million at yung una, no? Kung 500,000 a year yung kita mo, then dapat 5 million at least get mo life insurance. Again, if you have life insurance questions, go ahead and ask me here. Ayan, so let me just share with you my screen, no? I'll share with you my screen. Ano daw yung magandang life insurance for kids? 'Di ba? So again, Carla asked me, ano ba yung maganda para kay Mason? 'Di ba? So I'll be sharing with you my app, our app. It's called iPos. And if you are thinking, if you want to be a financial advisor in the future, I will show you how Film Life makes it easy for financial advisors, for their financial advisors to do business because of this app. It's called iPos, or the interactive point of sale, because lahat ng proposals, you can create it here. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-print sa paper. Alam mo yon, lahat ma-answer na rito sa app na to and may store yung data. So let me share with you my screen. This one. Ayan, sige. And I hope you can see my screen. Ayan. Let me just see, Ayan. So nakikita nyo yung screen ko. That's good. No? So now, so this is the plan for my wife, no? So ayan. And then of course we change yung lagyan natin yung tama niyang birthday. It's 1986. So we are 34, both of us. And so ano ba yung magandang proposal or policy product for our son or sa baby, di ba? So depende sa goal mo. So kunyari ang goal is ayan, let's say emergencies, ganyan. And then or for college education. So depende sa product. So let me just prepare some. No, so may mga questionnaire about may questionnaire sa'yo? As the investor, so kailangan mong alamin kung yun nga, insure college fund ba? For health and emergencies ba? So let's say, ayun yung purpose ng pagkuha niya. Let me just enter in as well, health invest. Okay. Now then there's a, wait. So there's a profile here. So let me just answer some of the questions quickly. So it's just required para lang lumabas yung plan. Ayan. Okay. Sige. So, first things first, pag-usapan natin yung kung ang purpose mo is to have a critical illness, no, for the kid, tatanungin nito, sino ba yung insured, no? So, let's say our son, Mason, nandito ba siya? Wala pa pala siya rito. So, Mason, birthday, June 2. Ayan. So, nakalagay na po lahat yan dito sa app. Tapos lalabas na automatically yung pinili mo na product, no? So, I'll be choosing AIA Critical Protect. So, this product, if your plan is for coverage ng critical illness, then this is the product. So, tignan natin. Ayan. So, ito yung mga plans niya. The minimum is 1 million, the maximum is 1.5 for a below 1-year-old kid. Ganyan. So makikita mo yan dyan, no? Para kay Israel na nagtanong kanina. Ayan, Israel. Diba? So, now is, tignan natin kung meron lahat kasama yung minor critical illness, gender-specific cancer benefit, and then the recovery benefit. Magkano siya lahat? So just generate the proposal. Automatically, it shows. Ito yan. Now, for all these benefits, it's only 14,257. So ano ba yung mga benefits niya? 1 million na face amount, life yan, or critical illness, up to age 100 yung coverage period if you can see. And then there's a minor critical illness benefit na 25%, it advances 25% of the face amount. So in this case, 250,000. Then there's a gender-specific cancer benefit, which is 500,000, which is 50% ng 1 million. Meaning kung any cancer na pang male. And then, recovery benefit na 500,000, meaning it pays out 100,000 a year for the next 5 years. So all in all, ang premium niya is 14,257.50. So sobrang mura niya. It's just 1,000 plus a year. Covered na yan lahat. You have about 2 million benefits. No, 1 million in life and critical illness, and then you get 500,000 sa gender-specific cancer benefit. It's additional in case panglalaking cancer. No, kasi ito, ilalaki yung anak namin. And then, 500,000 recovery benefit. Pwede mong alisin yung recovery benefit na 2,000. So, dun papatak na 12,000 lang siya. So, all in all, 20 years to pay lang to. For 14,000 times 20, that's 280,000. Ang coverage mo, 2 million. Hello, Milky Fern. Thank you. Thank you sa iyong donation. Thank you very much. Ayan. So, tingin mo, kunyari, alisin ko yung recovery benefit. Pwede yan. Dun sa, mahal masyado, no? Lalo na sa mga medyo adult, mas mahal ng konti yun. So, you can see na 12,122 na lang siya. Diba? I don't want lower than this pa yung coverage, diba? 1,000 a month, guys. 1,000 a month. Parang 240 months eh. Ganon, diba? Kasi 20 years. So, 240,000 lang yung gastos mo. 1.5 million yung coverage mo ng anak mo. Parang gift mo na yan pag gumraduate siya, diba? Para sa family niya, ganon. So, ganon kaganda, no? Yung AIA Critical Protect, if your goal, and again, babalik tayo sa goal. If your goal is to have critical illness protection for the child, then ito yung magandang plan. Okay? So now, kung ang goal mo naman is college education, 'di ba? So ideally, VUL, parang nag-iipon ka. 'Di ba? So lagay ulit natin, si Mason, ayan. So siya yung covered. Ngayon, nasabi ko nga, no, kung bibili ka ng VUL, ideally, ang insured, so owner, of course, si Carla, ang insured dapat ikaw din as the parent kasi ikaw yung may income eh. Ayan. So lalabas, may two options tayo. You can see on the right side. Money Works, and then lalabas din yung Health Invest Plus. So ang difference lang yung dalawang yan, si Money Works, purely life insurance siya plus investment or plus savings, ganon. Tapos maliit lang yung insurance niya. Si Health Invest naman, may life insurance, may accident insurance, may critical illness, may hospitalization. Ayun. So, kukunin mo to because gusto mo magkaroon ng coverage ka ngayon as the owner, and then magkaroon din ng coverage yung makaipon ka rin in the future. That's what I mean. So, puntahan natin si MoneyWorks. So, depende sa, itong MoneyWorks, depende sa budget. Yung mga VUL, depende sa budget, depende sa minimum. So, let's just say, start ka lang sa 20,000. Yun yung pinakamura ng MoneyWorks. Ako na ng mga other riders. So, tanggalin natin yung accident and health. Tanggalin natin yung waiver of premium. No? Tanggalin natin yung insurance, yung term insurance. Okay. So, purely life insurance plus may waiver of premium because very important yan. So, tingnan natin kung magkano aabutin at magkano yung maiipon mo. Diba? So, again, kung titignan nyo, the policy owner is Carla, policy insured name, insured niyan si Carla din. Ideally, the owner, the parent is the one insured. Ayan. So, all in all, magkakaroon siya ng coverage, minimal, 500,000 na life insurance, and then may waiver of premium for critical illness. Yung waiver nito, up to age 100. Kasi ang design ng MoneyWorks is regular pay. Pag sinabing regular pay, pay up to age 100. But you can always stop up at after 10 years eh. Diba? Or kunyari, pag 18 na si Mason, so 18 years ka lang magbabayad. After that, i-withdrawin mo na siya. Pwede rin naman. Diba? Ayan. Retirement planning, please. Thank you po, sabi ni Charis. Hello, Charis. Ayan. So, sige, Charis, let's talk about retirement planning later. Ayan. Balik tayo rito, no? Ayan. So, 24,300.80. So, parang 2,000 a month. Diba? Ang maganda rito, titignan mo ngayon yan sa... So, ito, this is just projection, no? So, illustration of benefits. Ayan. So, again, you will see in the table na tuloy-tuloy yung payment. Hindi siya 10 years lang. Hindi siya 5 years lang. No? This is designed as regular pay. As you can see, attained age up to age 100. So parang 66 years magbabayad si Carla or ikaw. Diba? But then again, you know, it's always your choice. You can always stop paying after 10 years. Ideally after 10 years. Kasi may mga withdrawal charges within 10 years karamihan. Diba? So, if you can see, pag naghulog ka ng 24,300, pag nag-withdraw ka, yung account value mo, 9,483 lang sa 4% or 9,665 lang sa 6%. Diba? So, of course, kinakain pa yung hinuhulog mo, napupunta siya sa death benefit. Bakit? May other charges and then in-insure ka. Insured ka ng 500,000 eh. So, doon napunta yun. Diba? So, unti-unti lumalaki siya. Lumalaki siya. Now, kung makikita mo, zoom in natin ng konti. Ayan, at year 10. No? On the 10th year, ayan, on the 10th year, so naguhulog ka pa rin. So, ika-11th year, tignan natin guys. So, ika-11th year, dito. Ayan, ika-11th year, sa 4%, itong table na to, itong una, sa 4%, may 259,000 ka na. Sa 6%, may 291,000 ka na. And then sa, wag natin tignan yung 10%. No? Doon tayo sa conservative. Ayan. So, nakahulog ka ng 24,000 for 10 years, 243,000 yon. Tumubo ka ng konti. No? Mga about, what's that? 20%. 10 to 20% lang yung tinubo ng pera mo. Okay ba rin? Kesa sa bangko ka lang naglagay, di ba? Tapos insured ka na 500,000. Now, sabi natin, ang purpose niyan, kukuha ka para sa education, di ba? So, kung tutuloy-tuloy mo yung payment mo na 24,300 for 18 years, kasi 18 na nag-start mag-college ngayon because of K to 12. Di ba? So, 52 na kami nun. Ayan. So, kung 4%, may 500,000 ka na. Di ba? Kung 6%, may 620,000. Sabihin natin yung 6%, it's doable, no? Kaya-kaya naman yan kasi you can earn more than that in the stock market. Yan, no? So sabihin na natin 620,000. My question is, would that be enough for the college education by that time? Or kulang pa? Diba? So baka by that time, what? 300,000, 400,000 a year na, diba? So parang 1.5 years lang yan, yung plan na yan. Ganon. So, but that's just fine. That's just fine, di ba? At least naka-start ka na. I always tell my clients, it's a good start. You know, andito naman ako, we can add more next year, 2 years from now, di ba? More insurance for you and then more savings. Basta dapat clear ka lang. Di ba? So, yung kanina, let me just stop my sharing first. Ayan, balik lang ako, no? Yung kanina, AIA Critical Protect. The AIA Critical Protect, ang goal niya is, gusto mo ikuha ng health insurance yung anak mo. Covered siya. Critical illness. Diba? Si Moneyworks, VUL, ang purpose niya, kaya mo siya kinuha, gusto mong ikuha ng education fund. Gusto mo mag-build at makaipon ng education fund para sa anak mo. Para sa anak mo. So, at age 18 niya. So, 0 si Mason, 18 years from now pa. So, 18 years kami maghuhulog, for example. Yun yung plan. So, and then, insured ka. What if may nangyari sa parent, no, after 5 years? Elementary pa lang. At least may 500,000. Diba? Yun yung kagandahan na ang ini-insure yung parent, hindi yung anak. Kung ang purpose is education, no? Hindi health. I-insure mo lang yung anak, for me, kung health yung purpose. So, sige, tingin ulit tayo sa AIA Critical Protect. No? So, let me just set it up first. Ayan, so, while doing that, Charisse, retirement planning. Charisse is my client. Charisse, can I use your details when I show? Let me know kung okay sa'yo. No? Para yung mismong account mo yung gagamitin natin. No, but before that, balik muna tayo dun kay Mason. So let's say one of the goals is med assist. No? Tignan natin yung med assist naman. Yan. So let me just fix this first. Yan, okay daw. Sige, perfect. Thank you for that. Sige, so pakita ko lang ulit. No? Let me just share with you my screen again. Once again. Ayan. Ito na po tayo. So, kunyari lang, ang gusto mo pa rin, health plan, pero parang health card. Diba? Health insurance for Mason. Yun yung gusto ni Carla, for example. Ayan. So, punta tayo. Nakasave na siya rito. Ayan. AIA Med Assist. So, piliin mo lang siya. So, let's say you want Plan B, which is 1 million yung coverage. O, doon mo tayo sa pinakamura lang. Plan A. So, this is all medical benefit. Magkano yung pinakamura? So, we just need to show. Ayan. So, again, titignan natin. Policy owner's name is si Carla. Ang insured this time si Mason. No? So, age 1 na siya kasi 6 plus 6 months po ang insurance age. No? So, 7 months na siya, 1 na siya dito sa plan na to. Ayan. So kung titignan nyo, medyo mahal po yan kasi ang bata is prone sa sakit, di ba? So 45,100 ang premium for a life insurance na 1.35 million, 15,000 lang binabayaran mo doon. But for the 500,000 na medical benefit, 30,100 yung binabayad mo. So pag in-add mo yun, 45,100. Ano yung mga benefits niyan? So, tumataas ang premium na yan every year. Pakita ko lang, ito. So sa table, you can see yung pang fifth na column, total annual premiums. Every year po tumataas yan kasi nagmamahal yung medical benefit. So if you can see, age 1 or age 2, 45, age 3, 46, hanggang age 11, 53,000 nagmamahal. Tapos pagdating ng 12 years old, magmumura siya ng konti, 44 kasi lesser risk, 44,000, babalik ulit siya. Hanggang age 18, 54,000. Pagdating na naman ng age 19, magmumura na ulit siya, 33,000. So nagbabago-bago po talaga yung premium ng AIA Med Assist dahil depende sa risk ng mga bata. Ganon. So, ganun po sa bata, medyo complicated ng konti. Di ba? Kasi nga, health insurance siya. Ganon. So, let's take a look at the benefit of Plan A, yung pinakamurang plan, because this is applicable to adults. Mas mura po sa adults. Ayan. So, ito yun, no? 500,000 yung maximum limit niya. So, meaning, na hospitalized, yung insured, up to 500,000 yung pwedeng i-cover ni Film Life, no? Ni Avega, yun yung partner card natin. Pero may inner limit. So meaning, kunyari kumuha ka pinakabonggang room, no? 5,000 pesos or 7,000. Eh, ito lang ang coverage mo, 1,000 lang yung i-cover sa sa room mo. Yan yung maximum niya. Miscellaneous inpatient as charged, pero meron po yan, tignan po natin sa pinakababa, no? Ayan, yung note sa baba. Medical benefit is a co-share benefit between the company and the policy owner or policy insured. 90% of the hospital expenses after deducting PhilHealth benefits will be shouldered by the company through medical benefit rider. And the remaining 10% of the hospital expenses after deducting the PhilHealth benefits, so mahalaga pa rin po si PhilHealth, will be shouldered by the policy owner or the policy insured. So lagi pong may 10% at the very least. Or more kung mababa lang yung limit mo. Yung po si AIA Med Assist. No? Again, sa miscellaneous inpatient, yung mga medicine, everything, lahat yan, kung umabot ng 20,000, lahat yon tapos 1090 kayo. 90% sasagutin ng card, 10% sagot mo. Attending physician, may pumasok na physician sa'yo, 1 visit per day, 1,000 pesos lang yung magagast, yung sasagutin. So kung 2,000 siya, no, 1,000 lang yung maximum. Per specialist fee, no, not to exceed 3 specialist kasi kung na-experience nyo na pong ma-hospitalize, di ba? Marami pong dumadalaw na doktor, hindi lang isa. So hanggang 3 lang po, 1,500 per day. Kung ICU or critical care, 2,000 per day. Up to 2,000 per day. Yon. So kapag po naman na surgery, na kailangan ng surgery, so surgeon's fee is up to 50% of the surgeon's fee, not 90% po. Surgeon's fee based on RVS, that's 20,000. And then surgeon's fee na 50% ng anesthetist's fee. Ayan, hirap basahin, no? 50% then, up to 50% lang din nun. And then organ transplant, aggregate limit ng up to 100,000 lang, kahit 500,000 yung maximum coverage mo. Emergency is as charged, 90% po yung maximum. Ambulance is up to 3,000. Hospice care is up to 50,000. Private duty nurse, kung nirecommend ng doctor, is 5,000 a year. And then medical equipment, example, yung crutches or yung wheelchair, up to 5,000. And then, kung lagi po nagkakasakit, no, ang total lang po na pwedeng i-cover ng Film Life is 2.5 million. Ayun. So, kung pag nasagad na po yan, hindi na po i-renew yung plan kahit bata ka pa. Hindi ka na pababayarin. Ganon. So hanggang doon na lang. Kasi syempre, di ba, may risk din yung company. Imposible nakabayad ka ng 2.5 million. So magkano lang yung binayad mo, malaki yung naibayad ng company. So top out na si company. Sabi niya, suko na ako. Ganon. So yun po yung AIA Med Assist. So again, no, so going back to me, ayan. So if you're asking again, life insurance for kids, depende sa purpose. Do you want to cover your kid, your son, your daughter ng critical illness protection? Do you want to cover ng health card or health insurance? Or bibili ka dahil gusto mo makaipon sa education plan niya? Depende po yun. Whatever the goal, whatever your goal is, then tell your financial advisor. If I'm your financial advisor, tell me. And then I will explain it again to you. Diba? Doon po sa mga gusto po akong maging financial advisor, just go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat Official, and then you can ask me questions as well. Ayan. So, yun po, no, i-explain sa'yo yan kung ano yung best life insurance for your kid. Ako po talaga, ang lagi kong ina-highlight, dapat insured ka, well insured ka as the parent. Dapat ikaw muna. 'Di ba? Kasi may insurance yung anak mo, no? 500,000. Ikaw, 500,000 lang din, 'di ba? Tapos may nangyari sa parent, 500,000 lang yung makukuha, 'di ba? Instead na bigger than that. Sayang. May mangyari man sa parent, may mangyari man sa anak, of course, wag naman. May mangyari man sa baby, walang income na mawawala. Mapapagastos, yes, kaya kailangan mo ng medical insurance, pero walang income na mawawala. So, walang income replacement. Di ba? Wala kang papalitan na income eh. So, hindi mo talaga kailangan ng life insurance for the kids. Should be health insurance or something for education maybe in the future, or may gusto ka lang i-gift sa kanya, 10 years from now, pag graduate yung anak ko, gusto ko may gift ako sa kanya. Di ba? Pwede yun eh. Di ba? So, yeah, yun yung mga purpose kung bakit ka kukuha ng life insurance. So again, the purpose of your financial advisor is to help you plan out. Kaya nga may tinatawag na financial planning. No, that's the goal. No, to plan out kung ano man yung gusto mo, yung plano mo for your financial goals and needs. So yan.